What separates a casual sports fan from an elite sports analyst is not just understanding statistics, it's understanding the logic behind the code. In 2026, top sports franchises are no longer relying on spreadsheets and intuition alone. Modern recruitment systems are now process millions of player actions using high-speed Python algorithms, identifying undervalued talent before the rest of the market even notices. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are breaking down the 5 coding logic patterns powering modern sports analytics. These are the same frameworks used in scouting systems, recruitment engines, tactical simulations, and elite level technical interviews. 10 years ago, analysts manually filtered player statistics using spreadsheets. Today, one football match alone can generate millions of spatial tracking points. Every sprint, every pass, every acceleration, every defensive rotation. The modern challenge is no longer collecting data. The challenge is processing it fast enough to create competitive advantage. That's why franchises now prioritize algorithmic efficiency over manual analysis. Because in elite recruitment, the team identifying hidden talent first wins. The first coding pattern dominating sports analytics is vectorization. Beginner analysts often use nested loops to process player data, but loops become painfully slow when analyzing millions of rows. Elite analysts replace loops with NumPy vectorization. Instead of checking player states one row at a time, Python processes entire columns simultaneously. This is critical during live scouting systems where franchises must instantly identify clutch performers. This logic is called conditional masking. It isolates high impact movements like goals scored in the final minute or high pressure defensive recoveries. The result milliseconds instead of minutes. The second major pattern is player archetype mapping. Modern franchises do not just scout players, they classify them. Every athlete becomes a data profile. Creative playmaker, press resistant midfielder, transition defender, inside finisher. Analysts use dictionary mapping and weighted similarity scores to identify replacement players with nearly identical tactical behavior. This is how clubs discover undervalued talent before transfer prices explode. A lower division player with 92% similarity to a superstar can save franchises billions. Raw statistics can be misleading. Elite analysts care about trends over time. That's where rolling averages and temporal logic become an essential. Instead of measuring one isolated performance, teams analyze how player efficiency changes during fatigue period. This helps coaches predict performance drops before they happen. A striker might score consistently during the first 60 minutes, but collapse physically after repeated high-intensity runs. These patterns influence substitutions, training loads, and tactical adjustments. One of the most advanced frameworks in sports analytics is the state machine. A game constantly changes states: attack, transition, defensive recovery, counter attack, set piece, organization. Elite analytics system tracks this transition in real time. By analyzing state transition, analysts can identify tactical weaknesses invisible to normal viewers. For example, a team may be lose defensive structure immediately after losing possession. That tiny transition window can decide championship. The final pattern separating elite analysts from beginners is optimization. Modern sensor systems generate enormous data velocity. If your algorithm runs too slowly, your insights become useless. That's why sports tech interviews heavily focus on big O complexity. Top sports companies now ask lead code style questions focused on hash maps, sliding windows, two pointers, graph traversal, real-time streaming logic. Because elite analytics is no longer just statistics, it's software engineering combined with tactical intelligence. If you truly want to stand out in 2026 sports analytics, don't just memorize theory. Build a project, create a player similarity engine, design fatigue prediction models, track transition states from real match data, combine Python sports intelligence and algorithmic efficiency, because the future of recruitment belongs to analysts who can transform raw data into competitive advantage. If this video helped you understand the real coding logic behind modern sports analytics, subscribe for more deep dive breakdowns on tech, recruitment, AI systems, and elite interview preparation. The future belongs to analysts who can think like engineers and strategists. So thank you so much for watching this video. Just like and subscribe please.